Hello and welcome to a much requested video on IELTS Writing Part 2, which asks you to write an essay in a given area of domain. In this video, we will not focus much on the introduction of the task itself, but rather we will cover the 4 band descriptors that are used to assess your essay and provide you with strategies to score well in each of them. First of all, let's look at the 4 band descriptors, which are task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. Let's analyze each of them in detail and see how you can score well in each one. Task response is the first band descriptor and is about how well you have answered the question. To score well in this category, make sure you read the question carefully and answer all parts of it. Use relevant examples and evidence to support your arguments. Let's look at an example question. Many people believe that children should be allowed to watch whatever TV programs they want. Others believe that parents should decide what their children can watch. Discuss both views and give your opinion. To score well in task response, you need to address both views and give your opinion. You can do this by using phrases such as on the one hand and on the other hand to show the different sides of the argument. Then make sure to clearly state your opinion and support it with reasons and examples. The second band descriptor is coherence and cohesion, which is about how well your writing flows and is organized. To score well in this category, make sure you use linking words and phrases to connect your ideas. Use topic sentences to introduce new ideas and make sure each paragraph has a clear focus. Let's look at an example. Moreover, there are several benefits to learning a second language. For example, it can help you communicate with people from other countries and cultures. Additionally, it can improve your job prospects in a globalized world. In this example, moreover and additionally are used to connect the ideas and show that they are related. The topic sentence clearly introduces the idea of the benefits of learning a second language, and the rest of the paragraph supports this idea. The third band descriptor is lexical resource, which is about the range and accuracy of your vocabulary. To score well in this category, use a variety of vocabulary and avoid repeating the same words or phrases. Use academic vocabulary where appropriate and make sure you understand the meaning of the words you are using. Let's look at an example. Furthermore, the proliferation of social media has led to an increase in cyberbullying. This is a serious issue that can have devastating consequences for young people. In this example, proliferation and cyberbullying are more academic words that show a range of vocabulary. The word devastating is also a good choice as it is more powerful than other words such as bad or harmful. The fourth band descriptor is grammatical range and accuracy, which is about the range and accuracy of your grammar. Many test takers usually struggle to score high in this category because of its assessment rubric. To score well in this category, use a variety of sentence structures and avoid making grammatical errors. Use complex sentences where appropriate and make sure you understand the grammar rules. Let's look at an example. Despite the fact that many people believe that social media has a negative influence on young people, it is also true that it can have a positive impact. For instance, social media can be used to raise awareness of important issues and bring people together. In this example, a complex sentence is used with a subordinate clause despite the fact that, and a main clause, it is also true that. There are no grammatical errors and a variety of sentence structures are used. In conclusion, to score well in IELTS Writing Task 2, make sure you address all parts of the question, use linking words to flow your ideas, use academic words whenever possible, and use variety of sentence structures. And that brings us to the end. Hope you liked it, and as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.